Hey, I found a new browser search engine, Oceanhero. It has a purpose to reduce plastic bottle waste along the ocean. But in order to do a reduction in plastic bottles, for every single bottle, you need to do 5 searches. On top right, it shows how it works. This is a bottle counter indicator. As of now, I have 0, so I have contributed nothing. Today I have a mission. I want to reduce the water's pollution by somewhat. So let's go ahead, see what we can do. Oh, I like that Oceanhero GIF. Um, just so you're wondering, ocean mode. I haven't clicked on it yet, but I think this blank area would be the ocean. Instead, on the top part of the Omni search bar. Currently reading a book right now. It's called. In fact, let's type it in. See if I can pick it up. Trying to pick it up accurately. I think this is it right here. Yeah, pretty good book. Just so you know, Amazon, I mean Firefox, there's an add-on that you can also enable this. Upon Chrome, on the home page of Oceanhero, if I were to click on the left side of this icon, there would be an indication on the right side, right underneath the bottle indicator. It would say Add to Chrome. You only reduce the oceans by 2 bottles, point 0.2. Point 0.2 missing 2 more bottles to get at least 3 bottle reduction. Let's see what they got. Tom's Guide. It's a pretty good tech info website. This is one of my preferred apps currently using on Chrome. It's in away in my toolbar. Well, why not? I think this is worthy of an app. Yeah, I think we're doing a purpose. Still a couple more searches. I think we're about done here. We see what we did. The counter is showing 21, so that's how much we did. It's pretty cool. Guys, use Oceanhero. Search for a purpose.